Hello everyone. Question 12. In the quadratic equation above, a is a non-zero constant. The graph of the equation in the xy plane is parabola with vertex CD. Which of the following is equals to D? Okay? So our purpose is define this D right here. Okay? So, first of all, what is vertex? Vertex, I'll show you in the graph. So if you have a xy graph right there, and for example, if you have like this kind of line, okay, then the vertex is right here. This is the vertex, and then in this case we have point C, D, right? Also, if it's like this is the vertex. Okay. Now, also, I want you guys to memorize this vertex form, which it shows it will find out the point C, which right here, if you use this formula. So yes, now we have this equation right here. Y equals a x minus 2 and then x plus 4. And then we can make it more easier. Multiply by each. We have x squared, and then plus 4x. We have minus 2x, and we have negative 8, right? Then we have x squared plus 2x minus 8, right? Now, once you make this kind of equation, we will be using vertex form in order to find this C. Okay, what was the vertex form? C equals minus b over 2a. Okay, in this case, x squared is a, 2x is b, and negative 8 is c. Okay, let's think about like that. 8 is x squared, it's 1, right? Obviously, and then b for 2 and c for negative 8, right? Actually, I'm gonna erase this c and put a different number because it's pretty much the same. We have c for vertex. It's might be, you know, like difficult. So yes, let's put maybe r, for example, r. Okay. Now, yeah. So we have a for 1. So let's put 2 times 1, right? On nominator we have 2, so negative 2. Why there's negative? Because look right here, we have negative, so you should put negative as well. And then we have negative 2 over 2 is negative 1, right? Now, what's the vertex for C? Negative 1. Okay. I'm gonna shrink this so that I can write more. Now, we found out the negative 1 for C. Right? Actually, this C is x, right? Because it's right on the x-axis. Then how about D? It's y, right? So we can say that C is also x, and that's equals 1. Now, we can assume that this x right here, this x could be negative 1, right? Because it's the same, it's equal. So let's do that. So we have y equals a, and in parentheses we have -1 squared plus 2 times -1, and we have 8. And then we have -1 squared is 1 plus -2 minus 8. Then we have 1 minus 10. Then what's for y? Y is minus 9a, right? This y is also represent D, because right here we have x and y. So yes, that's the answer. D is equals to -9a, so the answer is A.